Two Macs, a Macintosh Plus and a Macintosh SE. I think this one has the analog board that's broken. Oh, yep, might be a broken analog board. Macintosh SE. I think this one works, yeah. Oh, where's the mouse? There was a mouse on here earlier. There it is. Wondering if it was just like garbled or something. Big floppy disk drive. Oh, it's booting. Always thought these hard drives would die. Yeah. From what I heard, the hard drives on these just like die. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that cool or what? Oh, that's the brightness control.
I know.
Yep, look at that. It's booted up. It's still loading. Wish I had the mouse and keyboard for it, but I think they're long gone. There we go. Games. There's Sky Shadow, Solitaire, Star Wars, Tetris, and Wheel of Fortune. Solitaire is 9 kilobytes. That's pretty funny. Alright, bye-bye.